What is 3D printing? How does it work? There are many different types of 3D printing, with the most common being fused deposition modeling, FDM, and stereolithography selective laser sintering, SLA. ViceKitty uses SLA and FDM printers, Anycubic Photon Mono X6K and Anycubic Cobra. SLA printers create resin prints, using a projected light source to cure the entire layer at once. A brief flash of UV light is flashed on the screen when the build platform is lowered between video frames. FDM printers work by melting and extruding thermoplastic filament through a heated nozzle, whilst applying each layer to the build platform. You may be wondering, what is the product difference between the two types of printers and their materials? SLA printing using resin is ideal for detailed items with intricate details. The prints are a lot smoother, making it ideal for figurines and keycaps. Prints should be treated like glass and should not be dropped on hard surfaces. Prolonged exposure to sunlight should also be avoided. ViceKitty currently has a range of resin to work with, including solid colors, black, white, gray, aqua blue, macaroon pink, skin. Translucent colors, green, clear, red. Flexible tough resin, gray. This type of resin can withstand bending, flexing, and compression, unlike other resins. FDM printing using filament is ideal for larger scale items that don't require too much detail. The finished product is also more durable and is less likely to break compared to resin. ViceKitty currently has a range of filament to work with, including regular, black, pink, white, orange, silk aka shiny, black, red, silver, gold, pink, blue, dual blue and red, TPU aka flexible/bendy, red, black, ABS aka tough/durable, black, PEEK aka food safe, transparent, sparkly, pink, blue, other, wood, glow in the dark. I hope you now have a better understanding on 3D printers and the materials ViceKitty has to offer.